Welcome. This is a wonderful knowledge sharing session on organizational behavior and management. You are with Dr. Maharajan. This is series 2. This is the final video of series 2. Total we have 10 videos. So let us recollect what we have learned so far. So what is emotional intelligence? How EQ, emotional quotient, helps us in the workplace? What are the key components of EQ, emotional quotients? And we have also seen what is leadership, what is individual behavior, what is team behavior. So in this context, what we are going to focus today? Can you guess the topic? The pictures is also there to help you. Are you able to identify the emotion in the picture of that person? So the ability to understand one's emotions. So it's not only understand one's emotions and the emotions of others also. We need to understand the emotions of others also. And again, there will be interpersonal skills. We need to improve interpersonal skills. For that, what do? Again, for making enhanced decision making, we need to make better decisions and we need to adapt to changes. So what will help us to do all these things? So that is what is called emotional intelligence. So emotional intelligence. So we are going to see how emotional intelligence, what is emotional intelligence in the first case, and how it is going to help us in making us better leaders. It is going to help us in making better organization performance. So as real life cases, we can see emotional intelligent leaders. We have taken some examples. Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft. The focus is on empathy, okay, and growth mindset and employee well-being. So this has actually transformed Microsoft culture and given the company, that resurgence, its place in the global presence. So emotional intelligence leaders, you can look for other leaders also. In India, we have our own set of leaders like the Tata, and you can even Google's emotionally intelligent leaders. So emotional intelligence is very, very important. That is going to be a focus of our discussion today. What are the principles of emotional intelligence? So first thing is self-awareness. We need to be aware of one's own emotions, the person's own emotions, and again we need to understand our strengths, our weaknesses, and how do they influence our behavior. And again we need to understand the feelings of others also. That's called empathy. We need to see things from other people's point of view, and we need to respond to other people with compassion and care. Again, we need to self-regulate. Once we understand our own emotions, then we need to control and manage one's own emotions, our impulses, our behaviors. Emotions, the external factors may be sometimes trigger us into different emotions. So how to manage the triggers or how to manage the reactions. So it is said 10% things happen, 90% is happens because how do we respond. So what factors motivate us to achieve our goals, overcome challenges, and how do we take the initiatives? So essentially, it is the person's ability to understand one's own emotions and the emotions of others, and control one's own emotions, control, regulate emotions, and motivate oneself. So now we have better understanding of emotional intelligence. We will focus further. How do we develop emotional intelligence? First thing is self-reflection. We need to reflect ourselves, self-assessment to identify areas where we probably gone wrong or where there is chances for improvement and growth. Where do we need to control or regulate our emotions? And we need to seek for feedback from, we need to seek for actively feedback from colleagues and mentors and trusted peers and gain valuable insights so that based on the feedback, based on our own analysis, we will improve ourselves in managing our emotions. And we practice and apply this continuously. It's not done overnight. We need to manage our emotions every day in and out. Further, emotional intelligence, how it affects team's performance. See, team consists of individuals, and naturally when individuals come together, there's interplay of emotions. So if emotionally intelligent people, those who can regulate and control their emotions and understand the emotions of others, when we come together as a team, there is increased collaboration, there is improved decision making, and there is enhanced resilience. Resilience means in the face of adversity, in the face of any challenges, how do we maintain the normalcy, a positive attitude, and a productive mindset? That's called enhanced resilience. And we build strong relationships when we are emotionally uh, intelligent. That means when we are able to understand our own feelings and regulate our own feelings and understand the feelings of others. That's very, very important. Then we can strike a balanced midfield. So let us check our understanding. Can you try to answer these questions? Which are the 5 components emotional intelligence most closely associated with self-awareness? How can leaders effectively develop empathy within their teams? What is the role of self-regulation in emotional intelligence and how it can be improved? So find the answers, and in essence, what we studied today in summary, that is importance of emotional intelligence in managing organizational behavior. So improved leadership, there's no doubt. Emotional intelligent leaders are better equipped to inspire people to give their best. Enhanced teamwork, when people understand their own emotions and the emotions of others, team members, there is enhanced teamwork and better productivity and effective communication naturally. With emotional intelligent people communicate with empathy, communicate with clarity, and there is increased resilience in managing change, managing stress, and improving performance. So we have given online references and book references also. We are concluding the series 2. You are Dr. Maharajan. We have learned about management and organizational behavior. Look forward to my next series. Until then,